How does saturated soil cause liquefaction disasters? Breaking news in the world of natural disasters. A topic that has gained attention recently is the phenomenon of soil liquefaction. This is especially relevant as we have seen increased seismic activity around the globe. Many are asking how saturated soil can lead to such catastrophic events. If you are curious about the mechanics behind this process, you are in the right place. Liquefaction occurs when saturated soil loses its strength and stiffness due to stress, like during an earthquake. Saturated soil means that the spaces between soil particles are completely filled with water. When seismic shaking happens, the water pressure in these pores rises rapidly. This increase in pore water pressure decreases the effective stress that holds soil particles together. As a result, the soil can behave like a liquid. Under normal conditions, soil particles are in contact and can support loads. However, when the soil is saturated, water fills the voids and can transmit pressure. During shaking, the grains of soil attempt to rearrange into a denser packing. Unfortunately, the water cannot drain quickly enough. This leads to an increase in pore water pressure, which counteracts the normal stress between the grains. The soil particles essentially float apart, causing a sudden drop in shear strength. This phenomenon is most common in loose, sandy soils that have poor drainage and high saturation levels. When liquefaction occurs, it can severely damage buildings, roads, and infrastructure by undermining their foundations. Recent studies have shown that areas with these types of soils are particularly vulnerable during earthquakes. To mitigate the risk of liquefaction, engineers employ various techniques. Soil compaction, stone columns, and soil nailing are some methods used to improve soil stability. These techniques aim to reduce the chances of liquefaction occurring during seismic events. Understanding how saturated soil leads to liquefaction disasters is essential for urban planning and construction in earthquake-prone areas. As seismic activity continues to rise, being informed about these risks can help communities prepare and respond effectively.